Actually, I am okay too.
Don't do that. You'll get arthritis.
Relax, I will explain to you. Cracking your knuckles isn't summoning arthritis. That pop is just tiny gas bubbles exploding like soft popcorn inside your joint. Your bones? Completely fine. Your cartilage? Not even bothered. But if you crack them nonstop all day, your grip might weaken a bit. So yes, you're safe, but don't blame me if your handshake feels like a wet noodle. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.